Well, Al is keeping a close eye on Idalia's path and what's to come. These live reports really tell the story, don't they?
They absolutely do, and the story's still to come. Good morning, everybody. And we just got this in from the National Hurricane Center, down to a Category 3. Not unusual. Right as you get closer to landfall, the water's a little bit cooler, and so it loses a little strength, 125-mile-per-hour winds. But as Craig said, don't worry about the category. This is still a very dangerous storm moving northeast at 18 miles per hour. And to give you a sense of the strength of this as it moves inland, it's still going to stay a hurricane, probably down to a Category 2 or 1, cutting across southern Georgia and raking the coast of the Carolinas. So we're going to be watching that. Right now, we've got an extreme wind warning from Cedar Key just past Keaton Beach. Look at this, a 77-mile-per-hour wind gust there. Cedar Key, 55-mile-per-hour wind gust. Tampa, 46 miles per hour. And we've also got that tornado watch in effect for much of Florida. Now, here's the potential storm surge. We're looking at today's tides. The low tide's at 750, high tide at 145. Again, that king tide with the moon. And the problem with the Big Bend area is the geography. It's got this wide continental shelf that's very shallow, and so that causes a higher storm surge. You get those counterclockwise winds across that system, and that brings in this very vulnerable coastline. And in fact, Cedar Key, right at the heart of the 7 to 16-foot storm surge area. Large waves, dangerous waves, beach erosion, but all the way down to Naples, Florida. And then as the system exits, there's going to be a storm surge on the backside of this from Cape Hatteras all the way down to St. Augustine. Now, here's the rest of the path. By Thursday morning, it's still a 70-mile-per-hour winds pushing off the coast, and then moves off by Thursday afternoon with 60-mile-per-hour winds. The impacts, again, those destructive winds, anywhere from 50 to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts, some sustained even higher. Tornado risk from Orlando all the way to Wilmington, Valdosta, and Savannah. And the rain, we're talking about upwards of 12 inches from Tallahassee all the way to Wilmington, and that's why we have this moderate risk of flooding, guys, from Tallahassee all the way to Wilmington. So storm surge, though, our biggest concern, next the winds and, of course, the rain and flooding. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.